Oh, Ethan just told me about, or earlier told me about the money that you made over the weekend. You made $5. Ethan, what happened? Like you had ran out of ice cream, ice.
I was in there having customers and they wanted some snow cones and then he ran out of ice.
Okay.
And then so I was like, Alexander, why don't you just put popsicles in there? Just crushed up popsicles.
And it's already flavored. And so initially, was Alexander like, I ain't got no ice. Yeah, and so you got thinkers in the room, and so your solution was just make some popsicles, crush them up, put them in the cup, sell them. Now, what the customer say about it?
These are good.
And you was able to satisfy the customer. So that's the way to think your way out of a problem. A great solution. Everybody won from that. The customer won. You were able to make money and provide a service. You were able to provide a thought. And Brendan, of course, there for more support.
If I them, then I would have said.
Well, you weren't even there.
What you would have said, Brendan?
I would have said. Wait, I forgot.
Is that what you would have said?
No.
That's all right. You'll think of it, man. But good job, big brother. Good job, brother. Good job, brother.
Yeah, okay, I remember.
What?
I would have said to mix the popsicles up.
Mix the popsicles up. That's a good idea, man. Genius mindsets, guys. I love it. Way to be entrepreneurs, guys. When your big brother take you coming. All right.